Hey friends, welcome to my channel Art by Arcade. In this video series, I am gonna cover Lumi's method of drawing faces in any angle step by step. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos.
Let's first draw a circle. I make it dark so that the instructions are very clear, but try to keep your drawing light. And let's draw a vertical and a horizontal line. And this is the brow line where the eyebrows goes. And now we can split the lowermost portion into 3 equal parts like this. And do the same for the upper half. Now we can draw a top line. We know that the sides of the human face is somewhat flat, so we are going to cut out the sides of this sphere. Now extend the middle line to picturize the lower parts of face. Next, we have to mark hairline, nose line and chin. To mark the chin line, take the same measurement as this. Join the chin line and the nose line to get the jaw like in the picture. Now we need to make eyeline, which is 1/3 from the brow line. And guys, please don't think that it is very difficult due to these lots of measurements. It is very easy if you get that idea. The lines for mouth lies between the nose and chin. So let's get started with the features. First of all, ears, and it starts from the eyeline and making nose line and brow line as boundaries. Well, draw both ears. So start drawing the eyebrow along the brow line. On doing so, please try to maintain both eyebrows on the same line. Keeping the nose line as reference, start drawing nose and nostrils. I wish to explain detailing of each part of the face in my next video. To get the starting point of the eyes, draw vertical lines upwards from the ends of the nose. Make sure that ends of the eyes are at the same level. Now we can start drawing the lips. Make a curve here. And try to complete the lips. Please don't get much stressed on every feature of face, because this video is all about explaining the basic proportions of face according to the Lumi's theorem. Now we can shape the jaw. And we all know hairstyle is different for everyone, so you can try different styles. To draw the neck, just imagine a line from the ends of eyebrow. I would like to tell you that all features of face will differ from person to person, but the position and proportion will be almost same for everyone. Now we can give basic shades for the face. I want all of you to watch other videos on Loomis theorem of different artists, because if you are little bit confused in this video, by watching others' video you can reach to a conclusion. So try to learn from more than one perspective so that you can make your own style. So we can complete our picture by giving some shades. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please comment and share and subscribe for more videos. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. So guys, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Thank you.